What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to stop sharing your browser history and Safari data across your Apple devices. If you have multiple devices, like an iPhone, an iPad or Mac, but you don't want your Safari bookmarks, history and other browsing data to sync between them, it's easy to turn this feature off. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, tap on your username to access your Apple ID settings. From there, select iCloud. In the iCloud menu, you will see a brief overview of apps using iCloud. Tap Show All to see the complete list of apps. Scroll down until you find Safari and toggle it off. When you turn off Safari syncing, you will see a pop-up asking what to do with the previously synced iCloud Safari data. You can choose Keep on my iPhone if you want to keep the existing bookmarks and history stored locally on your device. Once you make your selection, Safari will no longer sync data like history or bookmarks across your other Apple devices, even when you're signed in with the same Apple ID. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.